Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 42 of me documenting my programming journey. My name is Julian. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Today is Tuesday, April 5th, 6:50 a.m. And I'm getting started by continuing my journey learning UI kit after spending a few months learning Swift and SwiftUI. And I'm learning UI kit by using the 100 Days of Swift course on the Hacking with Swift website. It's great so far, and we're working on an app that is all about creating a game where users can guess a flag of a country when prompted. So for example, we said pick the flag of Germany, they'll see 3 different flags and they have to pick which one is the German flag. So that's what's going on in this app, and I'm halfway through it, and I'm going to finish the rest of it before I have to leave for work. Let's get into it. Finished the project and most of the challenges that go along with the project. Let's check it out. So this is what we have in our app. It looks pretty bad, but for the purposes of me understanding what's going on, it's perfect. So we have the name of the country whose flag we need to guess. We have this current score right here, and then we have the number, the level that you're on, or the question that you're on. So right now we're on question 1 out of 10 because we just started. If we pick Italy right here, get correct, your score is 1, and then we correctly see our score increment, and then we move on to the next question. Also, if we keep going through here, we will see that eventually we will hit another different alert once we hit question 10, and I'm just hitting random flags now. That's why I'm not getting these right. So once we finally are in question 10 of 10, and then we answer, we'll see wrong, game over, your score was 0, so that's the final score. You play again, and you'll see when play again is pressed, score is reset, and we're back to question 1, which is great. So all of this is coming together with some new stuff that I'm using for the first time in UI kit, such as this at IB action, which we linked to our buttons. Every single time a button is pressed, this function is being run. And then within this IB action function, we also have some alerts, and then we're presenting these alerts, and we're presenting different alerts depending on the current state of the game. So for example, we have this first alert, which just says continue. This is the alert that's shown when you're not on the last level, or the last question rather. We have that alert, and if current question, the number of the current question is less than 10, meaning we aren't on the final question, we're showing that alert. And this is the second alert, which is the alert for showing that the game is over. I should do some better naming here, but this is what we have for now. We will show this if the current question number is equal to, if it's greater than 10, which means that it's equal to 10 in our case. So we're presenting the second alert. And all of that logic makes a lot of sense to me. I'm feeling good. And and we're also calling this reset game function anytime we press the play again button on the game over alert, which is cool. And every time I say alert, by the way, I'm referring to this screen that comes up. And that's what I'm talking about. And I think that just about covers almost everything. Again, I feel like I'm going to say this every vlog, but it's astounding to me how different UI kit is to SwiftUI, and how much less code I could write and in SwiftUI to make basically the same functionality work. It's really funny to me, but anyway, I gotta go get ready for work, so I will check in with you guys again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.